Medusa. Beautiful, snake-haired, terrifying. Took the sea god Poseidon as a lover and conceived a child. And so when Perseus came with his helmet of invisibility and his mirrored shield and struck off her head, the child burst out of her neck. It was a white horse with white feathered wings. It galloped, it gambled, it tossed its head and kicked its hind legs. It rolled on the grass. Wherever its hooves struck the ground, springs of fresh water flowed. Many men tried to tame Pegasus, but he was too frisky, too free-willed to be broken or bitted or bridled.